Hey there, food lovers! Today, we're diving into the world of sushi, a Japanese culinary delight that's both delicious and healthy. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get started on this sushi-making adventure. First, let's talk about the main ingredient, sushi rice. To make the perfect sushi rice, you'll need 2 cups of sushi rice, 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Start by rinsing the rice until the water runs clear, then add it to a pot with the water. Bring the mixture to a boil, cover, and reduce the heat to low. Cook for about 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and all the water is absorbed. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the sushi vinegar. In a small saucepan, combine the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Heat over low heat until the sugar dissolves, then remove from the heat. Once the rice is cooked, transfer it to a large bowl and pour the vinegar mixture over it. Gently mix the rice with a spatula until it's evenly coated. Now, let's talk about the filling. Today, we're going to make a simple cucumber roll. You'll need 1 cucumber, 1/2 cup of cooked sushi rice, 1 sheet of nori, and some sesame seeds. Peel the cucumber and cut it into thin strips. Place a sheet of nori on a sushi mat, shiny side down. Spread 1/2 cup of cooked sushi rice evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border on the edge closest to you. Place a few cucumber strips on top of the rice, leaving a 1-inch border on the opposite side. Use the sushi mat to roll the sushi, starting with the edge closest to you. Once you've rolled the sushi, use the mat to gently squeeze the roll to ensure it stays together. And there you have it, a delicious and easy-to-make cucumber sushi roll. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to learn more about sushi making, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us, and happy sushi making!